Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to change a color to any color in Photoshop. So I have this image of a girl with a yellow jacket which I'm going to change. By the way, if you want to use this image, you can check the link in the video description. So first we need to select this yellow color in order to change it. So first create a hue saturation adjustment layer. Then click on the hand tool and just click on any yellow color. That's over here. Now change the hue and saturation to 100%. That's about it. Now bring this to end closer or further depending on your selection. So in my case, we need to make it more closer. Play with the selection until you get a perfect result, or if you have any extra areas, we can mask that out anytime. So when you are happy with the selection, just bring back the hue and saturation to 0, and now you can change the hue and saturation to change the color to any color you like, and that's how you can change a color to any color in Photoshop.